Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I thought I would do a video going through what I'm packing in my hand luggage for our holiday that we are currently on. I'm pre-filming this in advance because obviously we are going to be on holiday, so I'm filming this in advance. The holiday we're going on, we each get 5 kilos of hand luggage. That includes the kids, so we are taking one trunkie full of Ben's birthday presents because it's Ben's birthday whilst we are on holiday, and I thought packing them in a trunkie, it's hard, it's going to be in the cabin with us, we're not going to lose it or risk getting broken or anything, so that's one of them. Ben is taking a backpack which is going to have inside it the kids busy bag things that I've made them. I'll link that up there. And then Ben's also going to have my laptop in his bag, and then whatever else he wants to take. I don't think we're going to bother taking another trunkie for the other little girl because she's just going to fall over it and fall off it, and I don't really think we need it. So if it's your first time here, I've got 2 little girls. They are 2 and 4. By the time you're watching this, she'll be 4. She's not at the minute, she's 3 for the next 3 days, and then she's going to be 4. But yeah, this is my hand luggage, so I thought I'd show you because I really like these videos. If you like them, give it a thumbs up, it really does help me out. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, that's cool too. We can't all like the same things. But yeah, I'm just gonna get in. So in my front little pocket, I've got 2 little packets of these Wham Bam's Cosmic Jelly Beans, and these are sour little jelly beans. I've got a packet each for me and Ben because I love sour things, and my ears always pop when I'm on an aeroplane, so I like to have something to chew as we take off and land. So I got those. Some post-its. I always like to have post-its in any handbag or bag that I have, just in case, because it's always like we go out somewhere and someone will want to write something down, like, or if someone's going to go and order our dinner somewhere, they would write down what we're having, and it saves writing on the back of a napkin. I've got my sunglasses from Coconut Lane, which are the most beautiful sunglasses in the world. It's going to be dark when we get there, I assume. It's going to be like 6:30 at night, so I'm not going to need them right away, but we're flying in the daytime, so I like to have my sunglasses. And I've got a spare battery. I think I'm going to be allowed to take this on. I'm going to have to check. I've got a spare battery for my GoPro because my big camera that I'm filming on now, which I'll take a picture of, and that camera, I don't know if I'm going to bring this on the plane with me or not, because it's going to live in here, which is my camera bag, which fits, like, the camera goes in this top bit, and then there's like bits for chargers, there's pockets, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to put this in a suitcase. This might end up going in Ben's hand luggage as well, or I might use it as one of the kids' hand luggages. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm going to have my GoPro on me, so I've got a spare battery for the GoPro, and that is all that is in the front pocket. Moving on to the inside, I've got my headphones. I think I'm being a bit like optimistic that I might actually get to listen to some music or something because we're traveling with toddlers, but you never know, they might sleep, and if they do, I've got my headphones. These are my studio headphones. I love them. I'll link them down below, and I do have a discount code for those, which you can use. And then I've got my Kindle. This is a Kindle Fire HD. I love, like, I've just turned it on. I love this games. The games that I play on these are like the ones where you have to find stuff. So they'll like show you a scene, and there's a list of things you have to find, and then you work your way around the world. So I will download a couple of games to put on this for holiday, and I think I'm going to download a couple of books as well, because obviously we're not going to be able to go out very much in the evenings because we've got the kids, so I think that we're probably going to be able to keep them out until like 8:30, 9 o'clock, and they're just going to be knackered otherwise. But then I've got this to read in the evenings. I've got my flight information. This is my return flight boarding passes in there. I've got this little bag here, which is my Too Faced honey bag, really cute. This has got all the passports. This has got our European Union they used to be E111 cards, what are they called? EHIC cards now, so it's like travel insurance or health insurance, but not travel. We've also got travel insurance, but for the minute, while we're still part of Europe, we can use these as well. And then I've got everybody's boarding passes in here, and I say everybody, there is Ben, me, the girls, Ben's sister and Ben's parents are all coming with us, which is exciting. So I've got everybody's details here. Snacks for the girls, because we're flying, I think our flight is at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so hopefully going to be able to give them dinner or lunch in the airport before we leave, but then we land at, I think, I want to say like 6:30, 7 at night, maybe a bit later, and the girls usually go to bed at around 7:30, 8 o'clock, but they normally have their dinner at like 5, and I don't know if we can get them to eat on the aeroplane, we will, but I don't know what the deal is with meals and stuff. So I've got an absolute crap ton of snacks, and I don't usually buy organic stuff, but they have been like crazy on offer recently, so I've got a lot. I've got 4 of the bars, so they absolutely love these. You've got raspberry, strawberry, carrot cake and apple. I've got 2 little packets of raisins because they love these. Raisins, if you can hear me. I've got 2 little packets. These were like 40p or 50p in Sainsbury's earlier. 2 little packets of little cheese crackers. 2 little packets of gummies. 2 little packets of little tiny, I'm not going to say this one because she hears that, she's going to come in and try and steal them. 2 lots of this, and then finally 2 Freddos. You're not having it now, this is for an airplane. You're hungry. Okay, let's go make some dinner, yeah? Okay. I fed her. She's happy. Next up is I say my GoPro. It's not my GoPro, it's Ben's GoPro. And I am going to take my GoPro. It's Ben's GoPro, Lucy. Stop, it's not yours. I'm going to take the GoPro case that we've got, which has got like the Gorilla tripod on it, so the one that you can like, that's magnetic and you can attach to things, but I thought for the airplane, I thought the selfie stick would be good, so I can like film the kids and like film the airport and stuff. So this is what I'm planning to film on in the airport, unless we maybe take this big camera, we'll see, but this is definitely coming in my hand luggage. My purse, I think I'm probably going to empty most of this. I'll take my bank card, my ID and my, I probably might even take my driving license, I don't think, in case I lose it. Take my bank card and my credit card, but I think everything else I'll just leave here, which means I'll probably actually put it in this little purse because it's smaller. Oh, it's cute. I've got a change of trousers for my littlest and some pants, because she's completely potty trained. She's 3 in October. She's potty trained herself entirely over like the last sort of 6 months. She's just wanted to do it and we've kind of gone with it. But the last few days she's been having a few little accidents now and then, so I thought I'd better take some extra trousers and pants just in case. The next thing as well, this is her, she has to wear a nappy at bedtime because she's not always dry. Like half the week she's dry, half the week she's not. But my thinking is possibly, depending on what time we get to the hotel, we might just be putting them straight to bed. So I'm thinking I'm gonna pop a nappy on her as soon as we get on the coach, or get off the airplane on the coach, obviously, to the hotel. And Ben will have pyjamas in his backpack as well. But I thought I'd better bring a nappy just in case she just needs to get put straight to bed. That's it for the inside pocket. And then I've got a packet of wipes. These are cucumber face wipes, so you just like take your makeup off. I do generally use like cleansing oils and stuff to take my makeup off, but with the rules on taking liquids, I just thought I'd just go for wipes because it's easier. So that's what I'm using, and I would normally use different wipes to that, but The ones I normally have, I can't think what the brand is. It's really annoying me. I can't think what it is. But these looked okay. And I thought I would just give them a go. And they smell nice. I love cucumber wipes. Next up is another little bag. And in this one, I've got the wet brush to do all of our hair. A deodorant. Again, I'm not really sure if this has to go in like in the bag with the liquids and stuff. Sorry, my phone's going crazy. Not really sure if it has to go in there or not, because it's solid. I don't know, we'll have to see. Some floss, 2 tiny forks and 2 tiny spoons, because the girls hate eating with big cutlery because they're a pain in the bum. Some pens, a roll-on solid sun cream, factor 50. Get on there. A torch that doesn't work apparently. Why don't you work? You used to work. It does work. A torch. And some mints. Oh, and a medicine syringe. And an aeroplane, because why would there not be in my videos? It's always an aeroplane. So I've got my carry-on liquids. I've got hand sanitizer, Calpol, ibuprofen. I'm only going to take one of these. So I've got, I can undo it, because I don't really want to wear makeup when I'm out there. I never normally wear makeup on holiday. So I've got my Wonder Brow and my Makeup Revolution brow dye. So I'm going to dye my eyebrows like the night before we leave, and then I'm going to take one of these to top up if I need it, but I'm not really sure. I'm probably going to use the lighter one, but we'll see, because it's waterproof and it lasts for like 3 or 4 days. I've got my waterproof mascara, which is my Maybelline Great Lash. I've got my So Susan Statement Skin highlighting crayon, which I absolutely love. It's beautiful. And then I've got a lip balm, which is the Tropic Lip Fudge, which is just amazing. I really, really like it. I think I'm taking this one. It'll be this or our lip, and there'll be some kind of lip balm in here. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to bother taking any like foundation or anything, because we're in and out of the pool all the time. We're going to be doing sun cream all the time, and I can't be bothered. Holiday for me is just, I don't give a crap. I'm with my family. They don't give a crap what I look like. I don't give a crap what I look like. It's just about having fun with the kids and the family. So yeah, that was my hand luggage. I hope you liked it. I'm excited for my holiday. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.